African Para Games ababe PM ewo Ghana ha na me adum the Minister for Youth and Sports wojina mu edema mampani na adodankwa akufuado eteki decision say Ghana omaya host to the first ever African Para Games ewo Ghana ha on the 24th of February or commission secretariat plus the LOC na munina mobekaya dwumadie parasport in governance na masue enewo Africa ha nyina ekurobia parasport wo bia no tumi ne kitahudie bia na beba Africa ha no na say besi nyina so na mesoso metumi de nchechirimu adwene Africa for the adom ne betumi achechirimu ma obi bia atiase na no na mikopie mu Rikyo School in England. Rikyo School no Japanese school womo SBA United Kingdom the first Japanese school womo be na mbekaya 2020 Olympic and Paralympic Games womo host Japan na Japan for every year na sports your friend be legacy after the sports na mosua na motimide aye na simoni so amopesa mu ye na Japan as a nation say womo expand womo games legacy into schools across the world. Now one of the schools womo HUC England Rikyo School na Rikyo School able body persons with disability some make parasports them and now participating in sports from Paralympic sports in the school able body school sports more prime product now so Japanese legacy is aimed at building the human capital so that in the next 10 years 20 years Japan will be seen as one of the greatest on earth when it comes to disability sports. They are promoting Tokyo legacy more international schools. Now, no invite me say, membrana church and educating a school from Kuala na mobekaya na 183 students and an hour more now make our side of the story. Participation of Africa at the Games in 2020, and now also the vision of Africa. Your person develop a year parasports. Now the effect pa any say a school year a year mantiwa ne maba way of mutituya school year omundi them omuni obi awedi them back school then so mutina wheelchair basketball compete with English national team, English wheelchair basketball national team. Compete with clubs participating in disability sports. Now, program Japanese government, the AU should be a promotion. I am possible. That is, BBA possible. I don't know any program. Now, I was say on the first day of orientation for new students abano mena omodimiti ano mamigni school for kasafa why the need set was we able body we promote disability sports now and also abeka said the munina is football the two sam bibi fa ho na ehye ya na edapono so Rikyo School